Okay, let's get started here. I acquired this outdoor fireplace a couple years ago. Tried once or twice, that's it, to get it lit and going, but never really spent some time on it. I tried searching everywhere, YouTube, Google, for the brand name and model number, and I couldn't find any owner's guide, instruction manuals. There's a lot of warnings here, how to operate it and everything, but at least model number is still here, and you know, the manufacturer information. So it's a Summer Ridge LP fireplace, and the model number A305000202. Has the first access door on the left hand side of the fireplace. Pull that open, and it's simply the propane tank. So the first thing I gotta make sure it has propane. So it has a gauge on. You can never trust those gauges, but I'm assuming it's good. Oh yeah, the gauge moved. I opened the valve, so there's plenty of propane in there. So next we go to the other side. It does have some instructions on the panel here. Took this panel off. Right here, put some lights in there so I could see. But the instructions, as you can see, they wrapped it around the corner, so you're missing about an inch worth of instructions. So you'd really have to crawl inside to get at them. But in any case, here's where it starts. There's a simple off, low, you push it in, and go to low and it should light, and then there's a high setting. Okay, let's see what I didn't realize. Pause just a second. Okay, got a better view here, so now you could see the instructions here, but they're pretty simple once I experimented. What I didn't realize, on the side here, hidden, which it doesn't say anywhere, there is a screw cap you open, and inside there is a AA battery. Okay, the first couple times I tried this, I didn't realize that was there, so I found a AA battery, put it in the cap. The flat side goes in, which is the negative side, and the positive side of the battery goes in the cap. So you need that because there's an igniter and there's a pilot light. So I'm hoping the thermocouple is good and it's not cluttered up with spider webs or anything, and we can make something work here. So next I'll do is you gotta push in the knob. You can hear it clicking, so the igniter's working. Pushing the knob and turn to the left. Okay, you have to hold this for about 30 seconds. I did hear the flame flare up, so you hold this for 30 seconds, and then that heats up the thermocouple. And then if you slowly let it go, the flame should stay on. So that's about 30 seconds there. I let go, it starts clicking. Turn it up to high now. Now let's see if there's a flame out in the front. So move it and get back up. Okay, we're back up. Go to the front. And what do we got? We got flames. It's off some good heat too. I'm at 80 degree. Yeah, that feels real good. Okay, but we're good to go for the next chilly night. Hope this helps. If you do, please like and subscribe. Help a small business. I know I had a hard time figuring this out, so everybody else will have a lot easier time. Have a great day. See you next time.